This is very interesting question. Can you solve this problem? If you solve, what is the value of A? Math Olympiad question. Can you solve this type of problem? Let's start solution how to solving this problem. First of all, see here. According to question, A plus 1 divided by 1 plus A is equal to 2. After that, see here, this will be cross multiplication. See here, 1 into bracket open A plus 1 bracket close is equal to 2 into bracket open 1 plus A bracket close. After that, see here, 1 into A, that is 1, means A plus 1 into 1 is equal to 2 into 1, 2 plus 2A. After that, see here, this 1 comes this side, means that A is equal to 2 plus 2A plus, this is negative form, negative 1. After that, see here, A is equal to 2A plus 2, this is positive, this is negative, means that 1. After that, see here, taking a square on both sides. See here, means that A square is equal to bracket open 2A plus 1 bracket close. After that, see here, we know that A plus B whole square formula is that A square plus 2AB plus B square. This formula apply in, therefore A square is equal to 4A square plus 1 plus 4A, means that, see here, this will be direct, therefore A square is equal to bracket open 2A whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into 2A into 1. This will be written in this place. See here, next step, A square is equal to 4A square plus 1 plus 4A. After that, see here, this comes this side, means that 4A square minus A square plus 4A plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, see here, 3A square, 4A square minus A square, means 3A square plus 4A plus 1 is equal to 0. See here, this is quadratic equation form. So, no comparing with, see here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See here, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 1. Therefore, quadratic equation formula is that a is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Put a value in this place. See here, a is equal to minus 4 plus minus root under b square, means 4 square, minus 4 into a value 3, c value 1 divided by 2 into a value 3. After that, see here, a is equal to minus 4 plus minus root under 16 minus 12 divided by 6. 3 to the 6. Therefore, a is equal to minus 4 plus minus root under 4 divided by 6. See here, a is equal to minus 4 plus minus root 4 value 2 divided by 6. See here, this will be also written as minus 4 divided by 6 plus minus 2 divided by 6. This cancel, this cancel. Therefore, a is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 plus minus 1 divided by 3. See here, this also will be written as minus 2 plus minus 1 divided by 3. After that, see here, a1 value is that minus 2 plus 1 divided by 3. a2 is equal to minus 2 minus 1 divided by 3. See here, a1 is equal to minus 1 divided by 3. a2 is equal to minus 3 divided by 3. This cancel, left it minus 1. Therefore a2 is equal to minus 1. See here, this is a1 value, this is a2 value. We got a1 and a2 value. Let's checking this value will be correct or not. Let's checking. According to question, a plus 1 divided by 1 plus a is equal to 2. Therefore, for a1 is equal to minus 1 divided by 3. Therefore, see here, minus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 plus minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, minus 1 plus minus plus 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 2. After that, see here, this will be written as 2 divided by 3 divided by 2 divided by 3 is equal to 2. This cancel, left it 1 is equal to 2. See here, this does not follow the rule, so no solution exists. After that, see here, a2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, see here, 0 divided by minus plus 0 is equal to 2. See here, no solution exists. So this solution does not satisfy the rule, so this is no existing any solution. Exist. After that, see here, a2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, see here, 0 divided by minus plus 0 is equal to 2. See here, no solution exists. So this solution does not satisfy the rule, so this is no existing any solution.